Okay, this is an update video on this gas cap that I changed. Okay, so what happened is about 4 months later, the light came back on. Okay, so what I did is, instead of cleaning them, I decided to replace it with the I went to Auto Zone and replaced it with the Duralast brand. Okay, and I don't know if it shows clearly, but there's a part number for it. Okay, it's cost me like $11 somewhere in that area. Okay, I put this on and I reset the light. Of course, I use a scanner, right? When the light come on, I want to make sure it's the same code, which it is. So what I did, I just instead of clean it, I just replace it. Okay. So what's the difference between this and the OEM? Well, it doesn't seem like it have a heavy build. Okay, on this one, on the OEM one, if you look really closely to the gasket, you can see it have a little scar mark there, or it could be a valve in here leaking. But anyway, the OEM is the Auto Zone is light. Okay, it doesn't. And you see that's a different. The black one down here is the Auto Zone one. And that one is the OEM. The OEM is much heavier, and this one is a little lighter. Okay, the gasket here it seems a little softer. And I've been putting it on since August, and this is like just about 3 days before New Year 2020. So you're looking about 4 months. Okay. For me, it's a gas cap problem. Okay, because it's the same cold pop up. After I clean these, same cold pop up, and so I replace this, and it worked ever since. Okay, so for me, this is the problem. All right. Thank you very much for watching, and have a wonderful day. Bye.